Hi guys, so this tutorial is a quick one and it's on how to make use of this fashion tool, which we popularly call a loop turner. So if you make strap hands, what we refer to as spaghetti hands, or very thin straps for probably lacing and likes, then you always make use of this tool. It's quite handy and it's very easy to use. So all you need to do is, I have a piece of fabric here that I have stitched down on the wrong side. So this loop turner has a hook and it has a clasp, right? So what you need to do is open this up like this, pass it through whatever strap you'll be making use of, and what you want to achieve is you hook this onto your fabric and then you try to stick out the clasp from one side just like this, right? Okay, and when you do that, you close just like this. You try to make sure that it closes properly, and then you drag. Just apply some sort of tension to it, and then you drag. You keep dragging. If you notice, when it comes out, it still clasps to the hook firmly, and then stretch out your fabric. You open this up, take it out, and of course your strap is neatly turned out. So you can do this for straps way thinner than this and it will come out beautifully well. So I hope we learned something today on how to make use of this loop turner.